Welcome to the HyperWorks 2023 Tips and Tricks video series. This video contains a number of tips and tricks about viewing the model for HyperMesh 2023. It is intended to be complementary to the respective video from the playlist HyperWorks 2023 Introduction Basic Handling. More tips and tricks videos exist, one for each video of that playlist. The Alt key plus dragging the middle mouse button performs circle zoom. The Alt key and a middle mouse click fit the model view to the screen. Hitting the F key, or clicking, Fit Selected is zooming into a possible selection on first click. A subsequent click will fit the model view to the screen. Hitting the B key will bring you to the previous view. Hitting Ctrl plus a number key will save the current view. You can call it by hitting Alt and the number key. Update an existing view to the current one, with right-click on it in Store, Recall Views, then Capture. You can double-click an entity in the graphics area to open the entity editor for it. The card editor displays model content in the way it will be written to the input deck. It can be used as alternate way to edit entity details. References, from the right-click menu, finds entities that are related to the selected entities. We hope you found some useful tips and tricks in this video. Think of the additional videos available on YouTube, and also visit us on community.altair.com. Thanks for watching.